Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class tape 19 which we have the study scale numbers unit number 1. So today topic is about the order properties. Exercise number 1 question number 5 depend on this property. So let me start. Firstly we discuss about what is mean by order properties and where is to be a use, where is to be a considerable and what is to be a applied method. So firstly we have we discuss about order properties, then we have to do question number 5. So let's start students. You have a properties of a real number, order properties. Beta trainers commutative properties. A is equal to B or B greater than or less than A, B, C. It's not be a additional sign, it's not be a subtraction sign. If their sign is a greater than and less than, is to be a use, is called a Transitive commutative property. Transitive property in which are A greater than B, less than greater than A plus C is called a transitive property in which have a two terms, in this have a three terms. Transitive properties have a three terms that we are less than or greater than are to each other. They have a greater than B greater than C, less than C. It depends upon your condition is to be a given your question. But the less than and greater than sign is used to between them and have a three terms is known as the transitive property. Additional properties. You know that when you have added the term, it's not be doesn't matter it's a two terms, is to be a three terms. Into a order of properties have a terms to be a it maybe have a two times, maybe have a three times, to maybe have a four terms. But this term are to be added is now the additive property. When you have the properties with the sign of addition, these properties are be added to each others. There may be a two terms, they maybe have a three terms, but it should be added to each other is called a additive property. Then a multiplicative property, that's a properties to be a multiply to each other. For example, A multiply B, B multiply by C, C multiply by A. But the terms are being multiplied by to each other, not be addition, not to be a subtraction, not to be a division. Only do a multiplication between them to each other is known as the multiplicative properties of order properties of a real number. Second is the division property. You know that the division is to be a 1 by B. That's be a property to be a divided. A divided C, B divided C, B divided C divided A, B divided A, C divided A. Is properties are be divided to each other. For example, that's 1 by 3, 2 by 1 are be divided to each other. That's are known as they are also in a fraction form. You know that the denominator and denominator are be divided to denominator divided to denominator. If the term is to be divided, is called a additional properties or division properties. Then are reciprocal properties. You know that when you denominators come to a denominator and denominators come to a denominator is called a reciprocal, and then you do a reciprocal, this is called of any term is known as a reciprocal property. So let me start question number 5. Name the four properties used in the following. They said that minus 3 greater than minus 1, minus plus, minus plus, minus 3 greater than minus 1, minus plus. When you have added 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which term is to be a considerable is to be a added value. Minus plus when you have a minus plus sign, minus plus when you have a term is to be added, the additive properties to be done. When you have addition in a two terms, in a three terms, by like a minus plus and the sign of also be a plus is to be a given. When you have we do addition into a two term is called a additive property because this two have been added. Additive properties mean you have been added the value additional properties. They also be called additional properties. They are also called additive property in which you have to do addition into a two terms, three number. It's depend on your sign and you have to do only addition. Next is to be a if A greater than B, then A is a denominator, come into a denominator and 1 is denominator. Less than 1 by A. When a reciprocal is value, you know that when a denominator is to be a give and denominator is not to be explained, it means the denominator is to be a 1. For example, we consider as A is a denominator and 1 is a denominator. B is a denominator and 1 is a denominator. When you reciprocal these values make a 1 by A greater than 1 b. Which method is to be used? You have a reciprocal this value. Denominator d comma denominator and denominator comma denominator. These are known as reciprocal properties. Then last is if a greater than b, then a plus c greater than b plus c. But they are be greater than. But you see that a plus c less than b plus c. When you have add these properties, add this term is known as the additive properties. So all the students complete your classwork, do your homework, devise your order properties. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.